Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by disabling the 5G radio in software because that's the quickest way to force LTE. Open your phone's mobile network settings and change the preferred network type to 4G or LTE only. This stops the modem from seeking 5G cells. Once done, toggle the mobile data off and on to re-register with the carrier. You do this to ensure the tower handshake happens under the 4G protocol rather than 5G, preventing the device from falling back to newer bands. Now you address the carrier side and SIM level controls so the phone stays on 4G. Call or chat with your carrier and request a 4G-only provisioning profile or ask them to disable 5G on your line. Carriers can push a configuration that keeps you on LTE. If needed, swap to a SIM known to be 4G only or update the APN/network operator manually to prioritize LTE bands. Make sure to reboot after any provisioning change so the handset fetches the new settings. To finish, you confirm the handset stays on 4G and handle common failures. Reboot the phone, run a data test, and check signal indicators to verify LTE. If the device reverts to 5G, consider a factory reset after backing up data or try another carrier's SIM to isolate hardware versus provisioning issues. If nothing works, contact the phone maker. There may be firmware or modem restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip: if signal icons are inconsistent, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a fresh network registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.